No, either. You either.
What do you?
I don't want anything bad happen either. No.
I'm tired. It's like this person said this and this. It's like. I cut my toenails. Want to see?
Yep, I see.
Yeah.
I cut mine a couple of days ago.
The sheets. Only way I can make the bed is if you get a new.
I know. I just have to get the money for it and stuff. Well,
unless
I can't. I can't. No, I can't do that. No, that's why. That's why the old elderly man is gonna give me his bed. He will when he gets into the Havenwood nursing home.
Is his dog doing the spin over?
I don't know. He will when he gets into the nursing home. For real.
Is that a deal?
Yeah, he has to. He has a waiting list to go there.
How much do you have left on this piece?
I paid the first month already, so I have like another 23 months left. Yeah.
This is ridiculous. It's a nice piece.
I know, that's why I'm paying for it still. I know, that's why I'm paying for it.
How much altogether?
So I'm coming up to maybe like, $700.
If I had a supplement check,
yeah,
I would do it.
I know.
That's all I'm doing. After that, no.
If I was gonna get stimulus, if they still gave out stimulus checks from COVID, I could have had it paid off and everything already. But they don't do that anymore. I only got 3 of them.
That's not what I'm getting at. That's the way.
Well, I can get that bed for free, so I'll take that. Or I'll get it for free. I'd rather get that bed that Grandpa's giving for free, that elderly guy. Yeah, that's free, so that's better.
Nothing in life is free.
No, but the guy's just gonna give me the bed, so I would do it.
Do you know who can give you the bed?
That guy, that Grandpa. Yeah. The elderly guy.
What I hear from needle nurses, knows like no wall.
The Grandpa will give me the bed.
Your mail collector.
The Grandpa will give it to us.
So, who the cops were looking for?
I don't know. I didn't see any out there today. Except I saw one. That's it. Not like yesterday. And this one down in Concord Gardens parked at the substation.
I don't talk to anyone.
No, I didn't either.
I'd be nice if you had like a record player.
Yeah.
I would put it in one of those.
I know.
But gee, wow, what keeps them all out?
I'll get a record player sometime.
You gotta get it from Walmart.
I will.
My husband wants a record player. Yeah, you should get records.
Yeah, I will.
That's my head.
I'll get records.
Yeah. Does Walmart do records online?
Probably online. Paul has to do that. I don't go online. I don't buy things online.
Don't go downtown.
No, I'm not going there. No. I don't go down there very often. No, I haven't been down there in a while.
Wouldn't do a bad feeling.
I don't go down there, really.
Do it on Walmart.
Yeah.
Is Walmart a rich multi-billionaire?
Well, yeah, they're one of the top dogs in the world, yeah. They're the ones that bought out, they're the ones that joined forces with Amazon, yeah. So they can stick together to be the biggest.
Can you live us off the two of those ones? How funny. I thought it was something I had, but...
Yeah, in 2020, Amazon joined them. So they wouldn't go belly up, or they weren't going, but...
As pharmacy prescriptions.
No.
Pharmacy